You know what it is.
We are all here. We are all here. I'm Megan, that's Alex, that's Lauren, and that's Carly. And, okay, let's show you all what we're gonna do. If you guys could help explain, that'd be great. But,
so we're gonna use this knife, which is a wedge, to pop the balloon, which is gonna hit the dominoes, which are levers. And then there's gonna be a ball here, and it is gonna go down the wedge, or it's also an inclined plane.
yep.
And it's gonna go into the cup.
There are 2 pulleys here. So, yeah,
And then it's gonna go.
it's gonna hit the wheel and axle.
And the wheel axle is gonna go down the inclined plane, hit the soccer ball. Soccer ball is gonna go down the inclined plane, which is gonna hit another soccer ball, which is gonna go down an inclined plane. And then it's gonna hit the boat, which is gonna go down another inclined plane into the water.
Yep. Okay.
Go to class cause it seems like you never knew it.
Go.
We blowing up in your face like some
Okay,
lighter
just,
fluid. Football's a language and we speak it best. If you're number 1, you got the lion on your chest. Alex Ball takes the field trying to break our hearts. The kick is up. Like it's on. Yeah. You know what it is. CIF.
Oh my God.
Screaming that's nothing. Wait a minute, check the ring. That's something. Repping my town. When you see me, you know everything. Red and gold, red and gold, red and gold, red and gold. We don't really care about what all the haters think.
okay?
Yeah.